guys, welcome to Parveen Cuisine, where the flavor is always hot and the recipes are always fun. Today we're making stir fry ramen with chili oil, a dish so good you'll forget about takeout and maybe even your ex. Alright, let's get started because no one likes waiting, especially me when I'm hungry. First things first, you want to grab your wok and put in some boiling water. Now toss in your chopped carrots, onions, peas, and corn. Don't be shy, this is a veggie party and everyone's invited. Now sprinkle in some salt and MSG because life's too short for bland food. Stir it up, close the lid, and let the veggies steam their way to glory. Next up, ramen rice cakes. These little guys are like an instant happiness in noodle form. Drop them in, cover the lid again, and let them soak up all the veggie magic. Now for the real MVP, ramen seasoning. Add it in, mix it well, and oh boy, the smell is already making my neighbors jealous. Sorry guys, maybe next time. While the ramen's doing its thing, let's whip up some chili oil. In a saucepan, add some butter, a little oil, chili flakes, and garlic powder. Let it bubble and sizzle like it's gossiping about the veggies in the wok. Ah, that's the sound of flavor. Pro tip, don't stick your nose too close unless you're ready to sneeze like crazy. Alright, time to fry an egg. Heat some oil in a pan, crack the eggs in, and let it sizzle until the edges are crispy and golden. Remember, the goal is sunny side up and not sunny side sad. Look at those edges, they're crunchier than my internet connection on a bad day. And now for the grand finale, plating. Start with a generous pile of ramen, gently place your fried egg on top, be nice, it's delicate, and finish with a drizzle of that spicy aromatic chili oil. And there you have it, stir fry ramen with chili oil. It is easy, delicious, and so extra, even your taste buds will be like, whoa, what is that? Thanks for watching you guys, and remember, if you're hungry, you're never alone. See you next time.